and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making garlic parmesan chicken wings. So for our ingredients, we have shredded parmesan, we have garlic powder, we have pepper, butter, and dried parsley. So the first thing you want to do, you want to melt your butter into your pan. And here we're going to add our dried parsley and our garlic powder and our pepper. And we're just going to mix it up in our melted butter. And once our butter has melted, we're going to set it aside. You just want to fry your chicken wings however you like them. For my chicken wings, I use half flour, half cornstarch, some salt, a little bit of pepper, and a tad bit of Cajun seasoning. I didn't want to season them too much. I didn't want to take away from the garlic parmesan in the end. So we're just going to fry our chicken wings until they are golden brown, which these chicken wings were so good. I love a nice crispy chicken wing, and cornstarch does that for me. That's just how I prefer mine. Okay, so we're going to drain our chicken wings on a paper towel. Now we're going to put that sauce into our pan, and we're just going to toss our chicken wings into our garlic parmesan seasoning. So I'm just tossing them really well, making sure that that butter gets all into these delicious chicken wings. Here we're going to sprinkle our Parmesan cheese on the top. And you just want to toss that a couple more times so that your cheese is coated on your chicken. Now you could use grated Parmesan cheese. I just used what I had, which I grated this cheese. So here's our chicken wings. They were delicious. They were nicely seasoned. It wasn't salty or nothing like that. So here we're plating it, and I'm just topping it with some more Parmesan cheese. And there we have it. I sprinkled a little bit of green onions on the top. And today we made garlic Parmesan chicken wings. If you like more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eats.